Hello everyone, this is Yavash from PicInfiniti.net. Welcome to another video in the Graph Studio series. In this video, I'm going to talk about different metrics in a graph. To access different metrics, just go to the metrics and you can find all of them. I try to implement as many metrics as I can from Graphology library. Not all of them come from that library, but some of them come from the library. So if you want to read more about them, you can come here and read more about different metrics. Just go to a standard library. Some of metrics come from component section and some of metrics come from metrics part. You can see here. To see different metrics, you need to activate this information panel. It is a very useful panel to see different metrics, different information about your graph. Let's start with some elementary feature of the graph. Go to metrics, for example, basic information. If you click on it, it gives you number of vertices, edges, and type of the graph. Right now, we just support undirected simple graph. In future version, we might add support for undirected graph too. So I add this here for future functionality. So you can always maximize this window. You can select them, press Ctrl key to copy them and paste this information anywhere you like. There is different feature of the graph. Some of them needs to select nodes. For example, it tells you select one node. Let me select one node before using this feature. If I selected this node, let me disable this. Okay, select this node, go to here, and yes, it is infinity. And there is other feature too. For example, for neighbors, we have to select one node. It returns different neighbors of the selected node. And there is very nice feature here. Before showing you shortest path, let me clean this panel with clean panel button, and let me zoom out, activate this feature. Okay, this is very nice feature. Let me import it again to find shortest path between two vertices. For example, okay, refresh this page and import it again. Yeah, it is very good graph. For example, select just on two node. You can, let me change the color of the line and edges. Just go to metrics after selected two node, go to metrics and click on shortest path. It will select the shortest path for you. Also, you can find the information here if you want to copy and paste it for some other software. You can, after you find this shortest path, let me click it again, find the shortest path, you can update the color, you can delete it, you can drag it. Let me disable this for dragging. Yeah, you can drag it, you can delete it, you can update the color as you see, and anything you like. And it's a very nice feature. I really love this feature. Find the shortest path between two vertices. That's it. I think I cover everything about Graph Studio. If I add more feature or update the application, I will record a video to explain that feature for you. So don't forget, check out how to use button here. It always redirect you to the latest video about Graph Studio, and you can see the current version here. If you see an update here, you might want to go to or latest video to see what happened in the graph studio. I hope you enjoy the application. I really enjoy hearing from you using the application in your seminar, in your class, to engage your students. So that's it. I hope you enjoy this video series. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like all of our video, and share this application with all of your friends. It is hard to say goodbye, so I will update this application and record more video for you. So bye for now. I see you on the future application.